The Greeks, of course, woke up to a very different reality after the government decided to shut the banks down for a week and restrict withdrawals altogether. Filio Kontrafouri reports from Athens.
In the suburb of Athens, lines swell in mid-afternoon. Banks are closed, but ATMs finally start dispensing cash. Greeks can withdraw only 60 euros each day, a restriction to remain in place at least until next week.
We are upset and feel insecure. We don't know what will happen tomorrow. We don't know if our deposits are safe. Not being able to get as much as you want, when you want, is only happening in third world countries.
These older Greeks have waited since early morning to get cash, but many depend on tellers to make a withdrawal because they use a bank booklet instead of a bank card.
We're in a horrible situation. We can't deal. Can't you see? We came here and they kick us away. They don't know when they'll be able to give the order so we can get the money.
An entire nation is trying to cope with a new and unpredictable reality. Aside from bank closures and the anxiety that has begun to stall the economy, Greece may be facing another problem. Greeks are already at odds as to whether the new government has failed them and whether saying yes or no to a new bailout agreement, the question of Sunday's referendum, could also mean the end of Greece as a Eurozone member.
The upcoming referendum is beginning to divide Greeks. Supporters of no are the first to take to the streets since the referendum was announced to demand an end to austerity.
After all these years, after the measures they've taken, the poverty, people starving, people who cannot feed their children, it's time to save our dignity and come out in the streets. It's the last thing we can save.
Thousands of anti-bailout protesters gathered in central Athens Monday. Pro-Europe supporters who want an agreement with Greece's lenders will be staging their own rally at the same time and place Tuesday night. Filio Kontrafouri, CCTV, Athens.